Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the case and AirPods have power. Low battery interrupts pairing. Once charged to around 50% or more, open the lid close to your iPhone or Bluetooth device. You'll see a connect prompt, tap it, and keep both devices within a few inches so the initial handshake completes. This ensures fast negotiation of settings like spatial audio and automatic switching. If using a non-Apple device, open Bluetooth settings and select AirPods Pro 2 to begin pairing. Once paired, you configure controls to suit how you listen. You can set press and hold on either stem for noise control or Siri, choose noise canceling when you need focus, and transparency when you need awareness. Make sure spatial audio is enabled for immersive sound, and use personalized spatialize to match head tracking. Then verify automatic ear detection and device switching so playback follows you across devices. This reduces manual reconnects and keeps audio seamless during quick finish by testing active noise, canceling, transparency, and spatial audio using short audio clips so you know what to expect in different environments. Make sure firmware updates install automatically when the AirPods are connected to your iPhone and charging in the case. Updates fix bugs and improve battery life. If pairing or audio issues persist, reset the AirPods by holding the case button about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white, then pair again. This clears most stubborn connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.